oil based distempers. Then there are acrylic based distempers, plastic emulsions. The textures what I showed you all are acrylic based. Then I showed you lime based materials. This is also kind of a lime plaster, but this you can use for exteriors. I show you natural lime plaster, which will give you natural toothpaste. This will, I hope you can see this way. In grey, this is giving you two-tone colors. Some darker grey, some lighter grey. This is also lime plaster mixed with travertino dust. Travertino is, you know travertino? Travertine?
It's an Italian marble. It's an Italian marble. Lots of cracks in it, which are later on filled, right, to make it more strong. It's a beautiful stone. I'm showing you a sample.
The beauty of
Those who have
travertine is this,
been
it
on the
forms
site, you've
small
seen
layers.
travertine.
All layers you can see. I mean, that's the basic.
Yeah.
That's the basic travertine is. It's the softest stone. It's not a hard material. It's a very soft material. You can brush it. You मतलब हाथ से भी अगर raw travertine लोगे तब झाड़ सकते हो उसको. It's so soft material. But you can all find कि उसकी layer formation जैसे sedimentation हुआ है, कैसे हुआ है, that's easily visible. That's not visible अगर हमारा मकराना या कोई भी मार्बल लेंगे, ग्राइंड लेंगे, इसमें
They
वो
are hardy stones. They are all hard stones.
yes, all are very hard stones.
ट्रैवेंटाइन को पहले एप्लीकेशन से पहले उसके अंदर सीलेंट्स डाल के उसे हार्डन किया जाता है. ओनली देन यू कैन यूज इट. इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल स्टोन. Okay, you've seen through the history.
Like initial time there was Irish works, lime base, then there are chuna, lime plaster, cements, then there are plastic emulsions, then there are again lime based plastic emulsion composite of lime, like I showed you stucco. This now modern days we are using elastomeric paints that are latex based paints. But as per Indian conditions, latex is not very favorable in the plastic emulsions because latex is rubber. What in a simple language, latex is rubber. This is latex-based texture, but latex is good as a texture part. You can do on the surface like some movable object. Interiors में आपके wooden racks हैं कुछ. Movable objects का paint नहीं करता, आपको polish ही करनी होती है. You can't do paints. Until unless paints की breathability, stretchability बहुत ज़्यादा हो. Not plastic, not lime. किसी की stretchability किसी में नहीं होगी. But this is a product what we can use on as a elastomeric on the iron surface, cast iron, board, some movable objects. We can use paints on even on that also. Again, a green certified.
सर इसका कुछ टाइम बाद लोग फ्रेंड अभी से लग रहा है.
It's a beauty of latex. It will give you two tone. It's not faded. It's the beauty of this product. It's exterior grade product. You can use in exteriors. I have did this on some Mr. Rajiv Gandhi का जहाँ एसिनेशन हुआ था, वहाँ पे कुछ ना ब्रास के डॉम्स बनाए हैं. तो वो सी क्लाइमेट के कारण से always the color brass का जो था वो काला पड़ जाता था. We have used this product over there perfectly. The experience of 3 years is perfect. But it will give you natural effect on this. So this is how the paints start. How it's come.
सर मूवेबल ऑब्जेक्ट पे नहीं करना है.